In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money like this every single day with 1 hour work and using all the free tools. Yes, you are not going to pay anything, you are not going to buy anything, you don't have to do anything. Just 1 hour of your work every single day and you can make money like this. So you have to watch the video continuously. I'm going to show you all the free tools and how you can make money. Also, if you watch until the end, you can you have a chance to win £10 every single day for entire June. So for the giveaway, watch the video entirely. Before that, if you're new to my channel, guys, subscribe, like and press the bell icons. If you really like our videos, don't forget to click the like button on the bottom of the video. So how you can make money using free tools and one hour of your works. For example, if you go to YouTube and type funny cat or cute and hardly pet, come up with the phrase related to the cat or funny animals and search the video, you can see these videos are getting millions of views every single day. Don't forget that pets and animals getting more views on YouTube than any other videos, and you can easily get these views every single day, guys. We are not going to make money using YouTube. This is not money making on YouTube. This is not this video about. We're going to use YouTube as a one of the traffic source. Now you can see there's a bunch of people uploading these videos and getting thousands, some of the video getting millions of views. What you have to do, you can make this video without making any video. Yes, what you have to do is the same thing, is Creative Commons. Go to filter and create Creative Commons. It will bring these videos as a Creative Commons license, which means you can download and re-edit and upload back to YouTube. You're not going to get copyright strike or claim for this video. And you can use a bunch of website available to download YouTube video. I'm not going to go there, but this is one of my channels. I started way back, but I didn't upload a couple of videos for now. But you can see it's similar to Kit and Cat Pet. It's about uploading cat and dog or pet videos. You can see some of the videos are getting views, some of them don't get views because it's really new channels. I'm starting to understand everything. But you can see how you can make money from these channels. I'm not going to make money from AdSense. I'm not going to make money from affiliate marketing. No, this is not like that. So when you open one of these video or go to these channels, open one of the video, they have a where we go a description. Here you don't have to do anything. You can just copy the entire title, description, and use vidIQ or TubeBuddy to get all the tag they used in their video, and you can copy and paste in your video. Change the thumbnail a little bit to make authentic or unique to your channels. Now you can see some of the videos are getting comments, some of them don't, but you can see in the description you can put about the funny videos, and there's one part you can add. If you have an issue with any of the clip we use in this video, please contact us, because it's Creative Commons. You can't predict all the clip are Creative Commons, so we leave that part aside. We are not going to make money using YouTube. So how you can make money? We're gonna make money using one of the websites called Redbubble, or you can use Teespring, you can use Zazzis. Yes, you can make money as print on demand. You are not buying inventory, you are not doing anything, just design, upload design to this website. They will manage the order, they will dispatch, they will print, and they will do anything. You can get the royalty for each t-shirts or each image, each item sold. Okay, you're gonna get the royalty. For example, if this t-shirt sell for £15, you're gonna get around £2 to £3 without doing any work. So why I said 1 hour of work, you need to drive traffic to the link. That's why you can use YouTube. Just for example, if you go to this channels, this is 479 views. If 10% of that views, around 47,000 people, if they would go and click the link, and if they even 1% conversion rate, they will make money as a passive income with the 1 hour of work they did way back in the time, guys. This is how it's gonna work, but this is one of the free traffic method. I'm gonna show other 2 traffic method end of the video, and also I'm gonna show how you can design for free using free tools and come up with the design for this method, guys. So for example, I'm going with pet, particularly cat. So I went to Google and type funny cat memes or funny cat words. You had to come up with some creative idea. You can see there's lots of video. You are not going to copy and paste this thing, but you can use as an example to make your own design. You can see these are the design you can come up with it. So for example, I like this one. I love coffee cat and a lot of bad words. We are not going to use entire things, but we can use some of these. Then you need to go to the website like clean png, where you can download a bunch of cat video with png background or transparent background. Yes, you can use a Canva and the design over there, but there's a lack of design there. You can come up with some different. You can't use these designs. Tom and Jerry as copyrighted. If you use that, you're gonna get copyright strike, or you're gonna ban from these sites. Okay, you don't use those movie material, use those free. Okay, so I come down there and download a bunch of designs. So for example, I download 2 of the design for this video, and I'm going to show the live tutorial and how you can upload and everything. So I can't find those videos. So I download this cat video. It's like a cosmic cat. You can it's fun. And there's a one cat I download is it's like a running cat. You can see it's like a fighting running cat. So what I did, I just go to Canva, and you need to have a custom dimension for printer demand. That's 2400 times 3200. You can get this information from Redbubble or any other print on demand site. So for the Redbubble is 2400 times 3200, and create the design. It will give you the blank page. Now what you have to do, come up with some idea. So you have to combine this image we download here. For example, you download any image and the memes you get it. You have to combine those things. So for example, I did what I did. For example, I just open the tab and click copy and paste that. I love cat. Then this is a sample how I designed a t-shirt like this one. I put the text here, then I go to the pictures where I uploaded. This is the one picture I uploaded, so I put this in the middle. So this is not enough. So the cat is chasing something. So what I decided, cat chase, laser lights. So I put the red dot in the in the bottom, like a cat is chasing the red dot. You can see from here. Now this design is not done. Why is there? Yes, okay, this design is not done. This is a basic outline how you can come up with this design. Now you need to come up with the perfect font for the letters, better size for the pictures and everything. That's why this is the final design. You can see from here, I love cats and the cat chasing red ball. Now what you can do is you can delete the second part. Now click download, and you need to get a transparent PNG, and click transparent background and click download. You will download a PNG format. Now we're gonna do one more thing, one more image for this video. So we can go, you can keep this design on Canva for further design, further future redesign, or you can delete it if you want. So I'm gonna delete this part. Second, okay, we don't want that. And I already downloaded another image. In this case, I'm not going to go with a text. Itself, this image is look fantastic. It's like a cosmic cat. So we gonna use the exactly same design for that. So as you can zoom it a little bit, make it bigger for the t-shirts. Okay, we need to shrink a little bit. That's it, and put it in the middle. Yes, and download the second image. We need a PNG, transparent background. We need a page 2 only. So after download, I can show you the image. You can download it without any background. Now the download part is complete. I go to my download section. This is my old image, so I can delete this too. And if I open each one of them, you can see there's no background for these images. Yes, it's a byte for the window, but there's no background for the images. Yes, you can see this PNG, a quad quality picture. Now what you have to do, close this part and go to Redbubble and create your free account. If there's no charge, you can just create a free account. For this video, I'm gonna show how you can upload one image. It's the same thing for everything. So what you have to do, go to your account. This is my account, and add new artwork. And if you watch this continuously, I'm gonna show another 2 free traffic methods that you can use to make sales as a free. Also, there's a paid version on those methods. I will talk about at the end of the video. So you have to click upload new artwork or new work, and it will open this page where you can select the image that you want to upload. We want to upload this one, and open, and it will automatically upload that. What you have to do, you need to acquire at least one logo. Okay, we need to comment the title, so we're gonna save it I love cats, and tag, you can comment tag cats / I love cats and cats t-shirts. You can always go back and edit the tags if you want. Then in the description, basically, I love cats t-shirts. This method works worldwide, any part of the country. You can create a Redbubble or Teespring account, and you can do it, guys. So there's not specific for different countries. If you come down to the bottom, you can see the mock-up on each product. You can see you're going to look like this on the t-shirts. We can disable or enable the product if we don't like. So these are the disabled because it won't look like better. This is the stickers gonna look like, and we don't want the phone case, we don't want any tablet cases, we don't want any of those. We don't want the coffee cup, we don't want it, and we don't want this part, because you can deselect or we can leave the book notebook one, and we can art print. We don't want that art print, we don't want this part, we don't want the buttons, we don't want, okay, leave the bag here, and we don't want the pin. And this is the new item for the mask they are staying here. We don't want that bags, we don't want that. This is a media, it's painting, design and illustration, and optimize for that anybody public. It's a mature content, no, and I have the right to sell, yes, and save the work. That's it, guys. It will take a couple of seconds to process. After that, it will show the entire book which you can download and use it for other free traffic method. I will gonna show you in a minute. You can see these are the mock-up on t-shirts, stickers, different color t-shirt, hoodies, and if you come to bottom, you can see it's on a bag, on a notebook. What you can do, you can download. If you click this one, and you can download these images. Then we're gonna use other 2 traffic method. First one is Instagram. Again, what you can do, you can create a entire specific page, which I did for my fitness page. You can see it growing organically every single day. Or you can do what you can do, go to influencer, find this influencer have 160,000 followers, only specific for this cat related video. So you can send this mock-up, you can download this mock-up and put it in the Canva, create a post and send it to them, so they can put it in the site, and you can make a sales. You need to pay about 10 to, you can negotiate the price for 1 day post around 15-20, but you have to spend money to make, because for example, again, 160,000 followers, but if you open one of the image, we can see each 4,000 likes and 4,000 likes, 3,000 likes, and again 3,000. So in average they are getting around 3,000 likes every single day. So if the 10% of 30 people come and buy your t-shirts, each t-shirt you're gonna make commission around, say for example, £2 or $4, something like that. You're making for one t-shirt as a commissions. You can make around 120 to 150 bucks every single day, guys, but you can spend only 15 to 20 bucks for the influencer to promote it. Either way, you can make lots of money doing this method. The third one is Pinterest. Yes, you can create a board. I have the Pinterest page getting around 12,000 monthly views. I can upload there, or you can find this again like a board specifically for the cat. This person is doing around 10 million monthly unique viewers for only cat. They are promoting, they are doing review for the cat products and cat image. You can again go to Canva, create Pinterest post. For example, if I click this one and Pinterest, you can see there's a Pinterest pin is there. You can create it, you can download this bunch of design and put it there, ask them to promote for little of the money, and you can get paid in that way. And again guys, you had to come up with a niche idea and design your product and upload it on the Redbubble or any other print on demand site. Then you can use the first traffic method, which is YouTube. Then you can use Instagram, and you can use Pinterest to make money like this every single day. Guys, if you are new to my channels, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Also, the giveaway section is every single day from now to end of the June. I'm doing a giveaway for every single day. You have a chance to win £10 by liking this video, subscribe to my channels, and in the comment section write me I like this video and put your PayPal address. So on the next video I pick up the winner. I'm doing from 2 videos, nobody clicking the like, so I can do the giveaway section. So if I get 100 likes in every single video, I will do the giveaway on next video. Again guys, subscribe, like, leave a comment, I like this video, and put your PayPal address. I will only do this giveaway when I get 100 likes per video. Thanks guys for watching. See you next one.